Are you an introvert seeking a fulfilling career that fits your personality and allows you to work from the comfort of your own home? Look no further. I've compiled a list of the top 5 remote jobs that are perfect for those who thrive in quieter, more independent cities. First of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into these 5 jobs at home. First of all, we have Promos.com, we have Fairfiction.com, we have also surveytime.io, then we have metroopinion.com, and finally we have appen.com. So first one we have Promos. This is the homepage. As you can see, first of all you can select the language you want, English or other language. Then we have your blog, help center, contact support, and join the community. Then here we have in the middle, we have earn money, make an impact. Share your knowledge and insights to help businesses and communities make better decisions. Then we have how it works. First of all, you have to create an account, download our app on iOS or Android for free, and create an account using your email address to join the Promise contributor community. Then you explore our tasks, browse our task marketplace, and select the activities of your choice to complete within minutes. Then finally you get paid. Choose the option to be paid instantly via PayPal, Payoneer, or Bitcoin, depending on the payment methods available in your country. So this is it for the first one, Promos. So all you have to do is sign up so far and start to earn money. We have the second one is Fairfiction, as you can see. Here we have various things like we have here the phone number if you want to ask something or if you find that problem. Then we have your other things like our services, our UX methods, customers, research about us, and login if you want to find your account. Then this is it for information. If you want to something, all I have to do is click over the one you want, like services or other thing. Then here we have first UX research consulting for your research and user testing anywhere in the world. Then here we have your UX research in a few days. First of all we write, then we write, then we conduct the study, then we recommend. Then here we have user experience, benchmark study, e-commerce, user testing, and UX design. You can just download our latest wallpapers. Then here we have also our full demo in video. To more understand, all I have to do is go directly to platform overview and user feedback, analysis, then UX recommendations. So also we have here research and testing methodologies. First of all, we have individual interviews, then focus group, quantitative survey, and remote user test. And also we have important information about our technology and expertise for your UX projects. First of all, we have a unique UX research platform available in 8 languages, or we have also a team of experts in UX research and UX design. And we have other things. So this is it for Fairfiction, as you can see. Then we have the third one is survey time. This is the home page. Get instantly rewards for every survey you complete. So first we have here, you choose the language you want. Then we have how to sign up here. You can use Google, Facebook, or also email. All you have to do is click over here and write your email. Then you enter your password. So there's no other information about it. So how does survey time work? First, all you have to do is sign up survey time for free, then tell us about yourself by taking a short introductory survey. Then finally start earning cash for surveys. For each survey you complete, you get an instant money reward. Here we have some benefits of survey time. First, we have low withdrawal threshold, then surveys for you, then never miss a new survey, then bonus surveys amount, then choose your reward, then survey time is global. So survey time, where you take free paid surveys and earn money for each one you successfully complete. All I have to do is click over here and start sign up. The fourth one, we have Metro Opinion. As you can see, this is the home page. First of all, then we have choose country, blog, and home. This is the home. If you want to choose the country, all you have to do is click over here. So paid surveys, earn money online, work from home. First, you can get up to $5 for each survey, and it's safe and easy payment. How to earn with paid surveys and 3 easy steps. First of all, you have to sign up, then answer, and finally you get paid. And here we have first information like earn money online. It is easy with Metro Opinion. This is the answer. Then we have here payment. We have first you can use PayPal or Fochi or donations. Then here we have work from home by doing surveys, and here we have other questions like how much can you earn by working from home. You can just read it to more understand. So if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over here and sign up by writing your email and other information. Here we have how to earn money on surveys. You can just read it to more understand. First we have site of online, part-time job, easy job for students to earn money, and additional income for the elderly. Then we have here the best paid surveys. So this is it for this one. Survey time, the Metro Opinion, sorry. We have here the country, we have Europe, Oceania, Africa and Asia, and also we have North of America and South of America. So this is it for Metro Opinion, as you can see. So the last one we have Appen. This is the whole page. You can just click over the one you want, click over the option you want. Here we have Appen. This is the home. If you want to optimize LLMs, EA data, and foundation models, platform resource also. And then you research about what you want. Then here, if you want to get started, all have to click over here. All join our card. So the first information we have about Appen is make data your differentiator, and we have Appen improves model performance through human AI collaboration, and here we have Appen supports the life cycle. So this is the cycle as you can see. First you have create the right data, prepare usable training data, and develop and deploy your models, and finally evaluate model performance. So why we choose Appen? First of all, it's expertise, skill, quality, flexibility, and innovation. So that's it for these 5 jobs. So embracing work from home opportunities can be a game changer, especially for introverts seeking a peaceful, independent work environment. By exploring careers in freelance writing, graphic design, software development, virtual assistance, and online tutoring, you can unlock your earning potential without sacrificing your comfort. These jobs not only offer flexibility and independence, but also provide excellent financial rewards. Take the first step towards a fulfilling and profitable remote career today and transform your work-life balance for the better. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.